Welcome to Petaflek. In this video, we will learn how to install Python on Windows operating system. This is my computer home screen or desktop screen. We need to open the command prompt now. To open the command prompt, click on the search bar, type cmd or command. Click on the command prompt program showing here. The command prompt window is open now. I am closing the command prompt now to show you the alternate way. The alternate way is press Windows key and R key together. We will get the run command dialog box. Type cmd and click on OK or press enter key. The command prompt is opened again now. Now type Python in lowercase or in small alphabets and press enter. I am getting the error. Python is not recognized as an internal or external command. This error conveys that Python is not installed in my machine. I will close the command prompt now and we will start downloading Python software from the official website of Python. To download Python software, open a web browser and go to the Google homepage. Search for Python download. The official website link is https://www.python.org. Click on the first link. This link will take me to the official website of Python. Now click on downloads. Here we can see the latest version of Python currently available. Click on this button. The software will start downloading to the download folder. Now go to the download folder. We can see the downloaded file available here. We will start installing the Python software in some time. Right click on this file. Select the option Run as Administrator. We will get a window asking the permission like, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click on Yes. Now the installation window is opened. We need to select these two options. Click on Customize Installation option. Now we have the window showing optional features. By default, all the options are selected. By any chance, if any of the option is not selected for you, then select all the options. Now click on Next. Now a new window is showing with the advanced options. In this window, some of the options are not selected. We need to select all these options. Under Customize Install Location, the folder path under C drive is selected by default. A folder with Python 3.1.4 will be created under the Program Files folder in the C drive. Python software will be installed under the Python 3.1.4 folder. If you want to change the drive from C drive to D drive or from C drive to E drive or C drive to F drive, you can provide the complete path here or select the desired folder using the browse option. Now let's click on the install button. The installation will start. The installation is under progress now. Let's wait for the completion of the installation. The installation will take 2 to 5 minutes. Now the installation is completed. Click on the close button. Now go to the command prompt. Type Python. Previously we were getting error. Now we are not getting any error and getting some information followed by 3 greater than symbol. The 3 greater than symbol is called as Python interpreter. The interpreter is also showing the version of Python we are using. We can use the Python interpreter as calculator as well. Let's perform some calculations using Python interpreter. 10 plus 20. We got the result as 30. 20 minus 10. We got the result as 10. 10 multiplied by 20. We got the result as 200. 50 divided by 10. We got the result as 5. This confirms that Python is installed in my machine. To come out of the Python interpreter, type exit followed by parenthesis. We will exit from the Python interpreter. We can also use the command python space -- version to verify the Python installation. This command returns the version of Python available in my machine. I have successfully installed Python on my machine. You can follow the same process to install Python successfully on your Windows machine. Thank you for watching this video. If you are happy with the learning in this video, please like and share this video to your friends and relatives who need this learning. Do not forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get updates on our upcoming videos.